Good Wednesday evening, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to give you a quick walk around the shop, give you a midweek update, show you what's going on, and go from there. Start over here. Got the little Nissan pickup will be for sale. Had to, seemed like change the window or something. I can't remember. Something on the door there. Getting it. Has been inspected and everything. Just got to get it finished, cleaned up, get it ready for sale. And then it'd be, like I said, it'd be ready for sale. Not a whole lot out here I can think of. We'll go ahead and walk around in the shop. Got this little Highlander in here, painting the roof and hood on, I believe. Got the roof in prime, hood's in prime. Getting ready to get some paint on it. Got the Chevy truck hood in prime. Got the 69 Camaro painted. Turned out real nice. That pretty red right there. Boom. Got the Toyota going back together / coming back apart. Going back together and coming apart. Got the hood, fenders, stuff jammed for it. Got all that ready to start going back on. Getting it back together. Fixing stuff back there. Oh, getting shot at. Let's see. It's kind of a quiet week. Spent a lot of time on that Camaro over there trying to get it in color. Nothing really much, I don't think, to show out here. So it's going to be kind of a quick video. But anyway, that gives you a little rundown. Lets you see the Camaro. Like I said, got paint on it. I think we'll be in Boaz this weekend for a benefit car show. Also going to Cruising the Coast. Part of us will be down there and part of us will be up there. So check us out both places. Anyway, that's what's going on here around 256 Garage. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Check at the end of the video here. We're going to have a little preview of our Turkey Trot car show trophy. We try to give something away different every year. Coming up November the 8th. Like everybody come out, be a part. But check out the trophy right here. All right, folks. Exactly. Tell him, Alan. Tell him. All right, y'all know we like to do something different kind of trophy for the car show every year for the Collinsville Turkey Trot 256 Garage car show. Well, we got this year's trophy. If you're watching this video, we must thought it was pretty good. If you don't see this video, it was cheap looking and we throwed it away. But we're going to open up the trophy for the 2025 Turkey Trot car show. Here it is. Now, look at there. Now, is it a check? No. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Everybody loves good bubble wrap. Oh, we got a ho ho ho. Something must be good. Oh, Alan's disappointed already. Woo, look at there.
Never seen a car show win one of those.
We're going to have the king of Turkey Trot, our queen. Check it out. Winner, we're going to have a plaque goes with it. It's 2025 King of Turkey Trot. Everybody bring your car.
I'd put it on my head, but the gal that wins it may not want it on my
I don't care. I'm going to put it on my head sometime or another.
What I'm just...
If they don't want it, there you go.
Wear protection.
Yeah. There you go, folks. If you do win it, you won't get none of Drake's bugs. But check it out. 2025.
Where's the center?
It's supposed to be in there.
What?
There it is.
Okay. Oh.
Not only have you got a crown,
Well, I didn't know we got extra.
you got a scepter that some assembly required.
I think I got this.
There you go. Alan might figure out how to get it. I just want to know who's going to use the sword to not hood somebody. But everybody bring your car out to the Turkey Trot car show. Get a chance to win the crown. I'm telling you.
Are they real? I don't know
I
how
hope.
you afforded it.
Hey, we had to, let me just say,
Buy some 256 merch, and that way we can give away more.
better crown next year.
Better, bigger.
Or something even better.
Buy enough merch, we might get a long red road to go with.
There you go. We might do a king and queen of Turkey Trot. And enough money.
T-shirts, hoodies.
And if we'll get one of them little things, what's the Jekyll guy or whatever they call him?
Oh, Jester.
Jester, yeah. We'll have a whole court.
That'd be Drake the Jester.
Yeah, there you go.
Obviously the king.
We wouldn't even make him wear a bag over his head like this time, would we? But anyway, check it out. 256 Garage Turkey Trot Car Show winner.